There's this new trend popping off on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram, and it is these remodeling time-lapse videos. And the numbers are honestly stupid, like stupid. So here's what's happening. There's a brand new YouTube page started basically yesterday in YouTube time, and it is already at over 40K subscribers and counting in about a month. And the views are wild. 43 million, 12 million, more than that. And before you ask, no humans, no cameras, no contractors, no dust, just fully AI-generated content. And even if we lowball this thing, like aggressively lowball it and say they earn 1 cent per 1,000 views, that one video at 43 million views is already around $16,000, which, is ridiculous. And this is where I did the thing you probably did. I went to YouTube and searched for a real tutorial. Like, okay, cool, how do we actually build this from scratch? And what I found were half-baked walkthroughs, vibes-based explanations, and people skipping the parts that actually matter. So in this video, we're not doing that. Stick around until the end because I'm going to walk you step by step through the entire system from zero. And the best part, every single tool I'm using is 100% free. No trials, no credit cards, no gotchas. Trust me, this matters. So here's the system thinking part, before tools. The entire play here is not the visuals, it's the workflow. Once you understand the workflow, you can swap tools whenever something better drops. So do not skip this part. Now, step 1, we need a chatbot. And I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use DeepSeek, Claude, whatever you like. This part doesn't matter. What matters is the prompt, and I linked a Google document in the description. Scroll down, copy the full master prompt. Yes, it's long. Yes, copy all of it. Do not get lazy here. Then paste it into your chatbot and send it. What happens next is the fun part. The bot basically turns itself into a renovation machine, like a little digital contractor brain. Once it finishes setting up, all you do is type start, and it will give you 10 different renovation concepts. You can choose anything: apartment, loft, rooftop, whatever. For this walkthrough, I picked option 3, so I paste that back in, and now it runs the real magic. It breaks everything down: image prompts, video prompts, full workflow. This is why I keep saying principles first, because this prompt is doing a lot of heavy lifting. Now, first execution step. Images. We need our starting visuals. So we need an image generator, and we're using ImageFX. Completely free, unlimited generations. Open your browser, search ImageFX, sign in with Google, then go back to your chatbot. Copy image prompt 1, this is the unfinished luxury rooftop, paste it into ImageFX, hit generate, wait a few seconds, download the image, done. Easy. Now we need to evolve this image over time, and ImageFX cannot edit images, so we switch tools. And this is important. Google Gemini is the only free option that handles this properly. Open Gemini, sign in, upload your first image, then go back to the chatbot. Copy image prompt 2, paste it, then send. Gemini uses Nano Banana to add construction workers. Yes, there will be a watermark, ignore it. Download the image, now upload that new image back into Gemini, copy image prompt 3, paste it, then send, and now we have all our key frames. This is the backbone of the entire video sequence. Do not rush this part. Now, animation. This is where it clicks. Open Flow, sign in with Google, you'll see the interface switch from text to video to frame to video model. This matters. Upload image 1 as your start frame. Upload image 2 as your end frame. Start frame means first image always beginning, end frame means always ending. This locks continuity. Now go back to the chatbot, scroll to video prompt 1, copy, paste into Flow. Now very important, Flow uses the V3 model, and V3 likes to add music, voice, or random talking. We do not want that, so add this to the end of your prompt. No dialogue, no voiceover, no background track, just sound effects that are relevant. Send it. Flow generates a clean time lapse from empty rooftop to workers building. Download it. Now repeat the pattern. Image 2 becomes the start frame. Image 3 becomes the end frame. Paste, video prompt 2, generate, download. Then image 3 to image 4. Paste, video prompt 3, generate, download. Simple pattern. Do not overthink it. Now, final clip. Upload the last image alone and write a basic prompt telling the camera to slowly zoom in. Nothing fancy. This becomes the showcase clip. So every project equals 4 clips. Always remember that. 4 clips per renovation. Now, music. Last piece. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the music generation prompt, open Suno, clip Create, paste prompt, turn on instrumental, generate. Now, could you use random music? Sure, but custom music avoids copyright issues, avoids monetization issues, and just feels cleaner. Now, editing. Open CapCut, import the full folder, drag the music first, then clips in order. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, final zoom clip. If you have multiple renovations, repeat the stack, adjust timing, trim music, sync visuals, export. Done. And that's the entire system. If this helped, drop a comment if you're ready to build one of these channels, and don't forget to subscribe because this exact workflow scales way further than you think.